and then just as a team to not let it melt you down and turn that opposition or criticism into a strength?
Yeah, look, first of all feedback is an opportunity to get better, right? And at least in my business and what I do, anytime someone has negative feedback, I personally see it through to make sure that it's addressed, and I do it like aggressively, I do it really fast, and I do it involving the parties and the actors that were responsible, so it's a learning lesson so it never happens again, right? So we run these big events, 20,000 people show up, it's the biggest events. We have one in Phoenix. And if someone has a bad experience, I go straight to the events director. I say, what is the reason of this? Like, why did it happen? You're going to refund the money, and we're going to make sure it never happens again. So it then becomes a standard operating procedure improvement, not just like, hey, can you make sure this is handled? And sometimes it turns out that person is wacky and they are finding something wrong. You've all experienced this as restaurant owners and operators. Somebody's just looking for something wrong and the pancakes were perfect and they're still looking for something, right?
Yeah. But they weren't perfect enough.
But you can tell, this is what's really important. You guys have a good antenna as founders, a legitimate piece of feedback and an illegitimate piece of feedback, right?